guys, just to review for today's trade, a couple of trades we did. I think 3 trades we did. So, what was the behind the scene because of these trades? Because you see that the sell side liquidity already swept, which was created in the pre-market, and I was looking for the reversal. Okay, for the buy trade. Why for the buy trade? Because if you see, these were the engineered liquidities which the market has already left. If you see this double top, okay, in 2 minutes, in 1 minute, it is more clear. If you see, there are so many liquidities, stop losses were there. So price needs to go back just to hunt these stop losses. So what I was looking was the market open. If you see the internal from the London session high to London session low, price already showed me that okay, it has the potential to go up. Why? Because it closed above 61.8%. Okay, and that was the main reason I was looking just for the sweeping of sell liquidity from the bullish order flow. This was our bullish order flow. Okay, the price. If you see, the price didn't break the 50% of this, just rejecting from this area. And before coming in this zone, it was it was showing me that okay, it just strip out the internal liquidity. This one, okay. Once the market came, we took this first trade 942. Why? Because the price just strip out this internal liquidity, this one, and went up. But we know that okay, it will not close above this high. Why? Because it is just sweeping out. The main cause of the price to come down was this liquidity sweep. Okay, yes. And we know that once the market will come in this zone, it will go high. It will go up to create another high. Okay, because this was the last high. After sweeping out this liquidity, the price went up. During this sweeping out liquidity, if you see, just go with the session levels and the Fibonacci, then the target was the second last high. This was the target, okay, and the target hit. And but before that, if you just see the NQ chart, we also had a really good divergence. Once the market was creating this low in ES, this low was coming in ES. At the same time, the NQ was creating a high. So if you see any of the trade, just go with this divergence. And this divergence, where it is this divergence? In our POI zone, in our demand zone, in our bullish order flow. Okay. And here, if you see this, these two are the really strong candles. Whenever you see the strong bearish momentum, just look for the buy trade. Okay. Because the momentum has already means if you see the line charts, okay, this is already almost double top. Okay, it has this liquidity is already swept out. So what I was looking, just to sweeping out of this sell side liquidity, and once it will be done, just go with the buy. Okay, at the same time, if you see, I am just putting it here. This is the low of the NQ, but this is not the low of the ES. The low is created here, but at the same time in NQ the high was created. Okay, means not the high, basically not lower than this one. Okay, so the market is again in the PI zone, I think, but we are not trading. Okay, so that was the whole scenario, that was the whole concept behind all these buys. Thank you guys, bye bye.